Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about the government investing in the health sector, meaning hospitals. Now, a lot of times people leave comments in the on the channel saying why doesn't the government build hospitals, etc., etc. So we are going to go through an article that gives an update on what the government is doing re the building of hospitals. Government Senator Abba Fix-Henley says the government has been working assiduously and making gains in improving service delivery in the health sector. He noted that more than 14 billion has been invested in upgrading Western Jamaica's premier medical care institution, the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and more than 6 billion on the expansion work at several other facilities, including the Spanish Town Hospital and the University Hospital of the West Indies. This administration has pumped millions of dollars into building Type 5 clinics across the country, including at Painland, and to assist the good people of Portmore, our soon-to-be parish number 15. We are upgrading approximately a dozen clinics across the country because we care about the level of comfort of the citizens of Jamaica, Senator Fitz-Henley said. He was closing the State of the Nation debate in the Senate. He further mentioned the construction of the Western Children's Adolescent Hospital in St. James, which is being funded by the governments of Jamaica and the People's Republic of China. Senator Fitz-Henley noted that the Ministry of Health and Wellness has launched a compassionate care program in hospitals island-wide. This program is geared towards enhancing the physiological wellness of patients and importantly seeks to decrease waiting time, he said. So that is an update, or that's the end of the update article on the hospitals. Now, three major projects, though they're practically rebuilding the Cornwall Regional Hospital in Montego Bay. They are building the Children's Hospital in Montego Bay, and they're practically rebuilding the Spanish Town Hospital. Three mega projects, billion-dollar projects for the hospitals in Jamaica. We will keep you guys updated on all of these mega projects. Alright guys, so let us know what you think about the building of the hospitals. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the video and leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.